Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Friday, May 14th, 4:22 p.m. New York time. Let's discuss currencies. It's the end of the week. Another full week nearly completed. These currencies will close at 5 p.m. New York time, so still have some trading time. Looking at the US dollar index. Look at that. For the 1 year duration, each candle for a week, it's bearish. It's been declining. The momentum is down. That is bearish, the US dollar. Current trend, bearish, declining. It's green for the week, but to not take out the high for the prior week. And it made a lower low. Momentum is still down. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, huge trading range, big consolidation. It's not in a trend, it's in a consolidation, big consolidation over many weeks. And most cryptocurrencies since last Saturday are down, big. Remember, cryptocurrencies do not only go up, they go down, and the cryptocurrency exchanges do not let you trade them short. That is a bad business plan for the retail customer. Retail customer, you and me. Looking at the euro is a top heavy-weighted currency in the US dollar index. Makes up over 40%. So the euro is going up against the US dollar. That's bullish, the euro against the US dollar currently. And for the week, to make a higher high than last week, giving more strength to the euro. The yen is one of the 3 safe haven currencies. When the yen goes up, expect to see gold up. So for the week, look at that. Almost the same as the prior week. Back inside this consolidation. So it still has a bearish mentality to it. British pound up strong against the US dollar. Finally broke out of this consolidation. So it made a higher high than the last week and broke out of this consolidation. That's bullish strong. And the Canadian dollar, wow, very strong against the US dollar. Trending direction right now. Since the past year has been trending up against the US dollar. Maybe we start changing, pricing everything from the US dollar into the Canadian dollar. That means, again, the United States imports a lot of products from Canada. It means we're going to be paying more money to convert our currency into the Canadian dollar and importing those. The Swiss franc, another safe haven currency. It's up strong against the US dollar. It's trending. This is consolidation. This is a trend. And the Australian dollar, it's an consolidation. Where it did break above this, it's still in a tight consolidation here. Yep. Let's go to the Forex pairs. First, we'll do the euro again, because the euro is the largest traded currency after the US dollar. So we'll look at the pairs that go with the euro. We already did the first one, which was the euro US dollar. We saw the euro is gaining strength against the US dollar. The euro's Japanese yen. This is a momentum. This is trending. Euro gaining strength against the yen. Now we're looking at the euro pound. Declining prices, weakening euro, giving strength to the British pound. Still, it's in a consolidation, but the past 3 weeks have been trending down in favor of the British pound. It'd be interesting because again, here is a consolidation, breakdown, trending, consolidation. So one would expect most likely is this gonna break below this consolidation and again, give further strength to the British pound against the euro. Let's see if it plays out like that ahead of time. Euro, Canadian dollar. Again, Canadian dollar very strong, just like we saw Canadian dollar was strong against the US dollar. Canadian dollar strong against the euro. Yep, declining price here is declining the euro and strength of Canadian dollar. Euro, Swiss franc. Well, finally broke below this consolidation. So that's Swiss franc gaining strength against the euro, broke below this consolidation, safe haven currency. Euro, Australia dollar. Consolidation for a long period, building a lot of calls, building a coil on there, making it tighter and tighter. It's going to break out. The prior trend was down, weakening the euro, gaining strength for the Aussie. Watch this closely because when this breaks out one way or the other, expect a big trend. If it's not going to be a stop hunt, one of those fake outs. If you don't know what stop hunts are, watch my prior videos or connect my Patreon. You'll see a lot of good details of what stop hunts are. Most people are misinformed of what they think it is. Let's go on to the next. Did we do the euro yet? Oops. The yen. The yen US dollar. We already did that. US dollar was stronger. Euro yen, we already did that one. British pound yen. Interesting. Look at that. Broke right out of the consolidation, giving strength to the British pound against the yen. That's good. So we expect this trend to go further. We saw the British pound is strong against several currencies. Canadian dollar yen in favor of the Canadian dollar, trending. Canadian Swiss franc. Sorry, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, two safe haven currencies. The trend is up in favor of the Swiss franc. Strong trend. Aussie and Japanese yen broke out of consolidation to the upside. That's in favor of the Australian dollar against the yen. Long consolidation, finally broke above it. And let's go in the third largest currency pair in the US dollar is the pound. We already spoke about the pound US dollar, pound gaining strength against the US dollar, as well as the pound yen, pound gaining strength against the yen, and the euro pound. We also spoke about that. Pound gaining strength against the euros. So we see the pound is gaining strength and the Canadian dollar is gaining strength against several currencies. And here we go, finally, the British pound, Canadian dollar. So for the week, higher high, high low in favor of the British pound. But the bigger trend here was declining British pound, strength of Canadian dollar. So this is a consolidation from the prior trend down. So I want to expect this should be continuing going lower, giving strength again further to the Canadian dollar. What is Canada doing that's getting strength against some of the biggest currencies worldwide? What is there? Politics or products? You might want to do good science research deeper into Canada, see what they're doing so well that's giving their currency strength. British pound, Swiss franc. Yep, it's in a consolidation. And the British pound, Australian dollar is also in consolidation. Huge consolidation. So we got a lot going on here. And come this weekend, Sunday night, Sunday evening, when the currencies open back up, consider looking at these major pairs and this current candle to the right of each of them. See if we broke out of any of them to the top or the bottom, and that could give you a trade idea for the trend for next week. That'd be Sunday evening, US time. And if you don't know what time that is, go to the exchange that trades currencies. That's the CME, and learn about the currencies that trade on the CME exchange, because there's also currencies that trade on the Forex exchange. You got homework to do. Good job out of you. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.